Hi, welcome to Kid Builds. If it's your first time joining us, we do toy builds like Gundams and Legos. We do STEM projects like Kiwi crates, and we also do video game reviews. Subscribe down below and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any videos. Today's build will be a Lego Star Wars build. It's ages 8 to 12. Model number is 75168. It's Yoda's Jedi Starfighter, 262 pieces. It comes with two characters, R2-D2 and Yoda. The abilities are the top can lift up, and the shield can go down and up. These blasters can shoot out, and R2-D2 can get pulled out of this in the back. Let's open the box. Here's the instruction manual. There's three bags. It comes with stickers. This is bag number 1, bag number 2, and bag number 3. Oopsies. Now let's assemble. R2-D2 goes on the back of the ship like this. Yoda goes in here. Like that. My favorite part of it is that these can move like this. You can open them like this, like a TIE fighter. Ooh. Let me reload this. He's gonna open it. Ooh. Yoda has green skin, a green lightsaber. He's wearing tan Jedi robes, and he steers the Starfighter. R2-D2 helps Yoda steer the Starfighter, and it sits in the back. Please give us a like and subscribe down below. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any new videos. And we'll see you next week for a new build. Bye!